In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create playlists on artlist.io. Think of playlists on Artlist as art boards, a simple way to organize music ideas for your projects. Whether you're planning a commercial, a vlog, or a short film, an artboard keeps your favorite tracks grouped in one place so you can come back to them later with a clear head. Start by signing in to artlist.io. Once you're in, look to the sidebar and click on Artboards. This is your workspace for building and managing playlists. You'll see any boards you've already made, and you'll also find the option to create a new one. To make a fresh artboard, click the plus icon. Give your board a clear, descriptive name. Something like Summer Travel Vlog or Moody Documentary Cues works well. If you want, add a short description to capture the mood, use case, or key instruments. A good description helps you stay focused and makes it easier to spot the right board later, especially if you manage multiple projects. When you're ready, click Create. If you see an option called Get Suggestions, you can use it to have Artlist suggest tracks that align with the board's details. This is especially handy when you're just getting started and want a head start on curation. Now let's add songs. Head to the music catalog and start browsing. You can explore by genre, mood, video theme, or instrument, and refine with filters like tempo or vocal presence to narrow your results. Preview tracks as you go to get a feel for how they'll pair with your visuals. When you find a song you like, look for the three-dot More menu next to the track. Click it, then choose Add to Artboard. If you're prompted to pick a destination, select the artboard you just created. Repeat this process to keep building your list, adding as many tracks as you need. This method keeps everything consistent and ensures each pick lands in the right place. As you curate, consider grouping tracks with different energies so you have options for intros, transitions, and finales. Keep names and descriptions consistent across projects to make future searches faster. And take your time previewing. A few extra seconds now can save you from second-guessing later. That's all there is to it. You've signed in, opened artboards, created a new one with a clear name and description, used Create or Get Suggestions, and added songs from the catalog using the More menu. With your artboard in place, you're set to stay organized and move confidently into the edit.